Hey, it is great to meet you. Watch you on TV all the time.
Well, I appreciate it.
Welcome to Michigan.
Man, I'm from Michigan. I'm from Woodhaven.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm from D-Town. So, when you guys wonder why I got such attitude,
Now,
it's because of you.
What were you saying? Ryan did this one?
All right, yeah. So Ryan did this one. This is a beautiful Jeep also. They're pretty much twin Jeeps. That one's red, this one's black. Other than that, what are they? Supercharged?
Supercharged, 6-inch lifts, 37-inch Mickey Thompsons, sound system, all done up. Custom bumpers.
There's nothing we didn't do to it. And then, we both did a, nice, beautiful custom hood mural. This is Ryan's, is to, tribute the military, their strength, their badass.
So you buy some tickets. You buy some tickets and they win it, right?
Yes.
Wow.
So you can buy a ticket. Hey, you buy a ticket for $100. Think about this. You buy a ticket for $100. You got a chance to win 2 Jeeps. Or worst case scenario, your $100 goes to a veteran, be able to go out and do some cool things that he maybe couldn't have before.
True.
Or you can win 1 Jeep and then you get to pick which Jeep you get, and then you get a second chance to win it. I'm just sorry. You're all stupid if you didn't buy a ticket yet.
HopeIWin.com. That's where you can get them.
HopeIWin.com. If you didn't get it yet, I'm about to mic my I don't want to break your
Well, thank you. Thanks for taking time.
Hey, I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you something.
Yeah.
The better Jeep is over on this side.
Is that
Here,
yours?
come on over here,
Okay.
buddy. Here, come on over here. See, I feel like, all right. There you go. There you go.
Right.
Get it in.
Okay.
Just,
All
feel like
right.
the camera's not getting the right shot. You got to get up there. There it is. Look, that's the good stuff right there. So, just so you understand. So, there's 2 beautiful, badass Jeeps. That one's Ryan's. This one's mine. That one's Ryan's. It brings that kind of excitement. This one, holy shit, is this badass. Anyway, listen, you don't have to win a Jeep for $100. You don't have to help a veteran. You don't have to be nice at all. Just stay at home and do nothing. Or go win yourself a Jeep, help a veteran. Don't be as horrible as our government. Do something.